Good morning, guys. Good morning, people. How are you? Let me hope you fine. Today I'm gonna show you how you can modify your PDF document so that if you want to make some changes on your document, so I'm gonna show you the easiest way to use in order to convert your document. So let's start. First of all, I want you to make sure that you have subscribed to this channel so that I shall talk about me, and also I will be able to make more videos for you. So let's take our document. This is our PDF document. You see, it is in PDF format. You know, you can't modify your document while in this PDF format. So what to do? First of all, you must have this program, UniPDF. Before converting your document, you are going to download this software UniPDF on the link that I will provide in the description. So opening our UniPDF document, you must make sure in the settings where to save your document and your Word document format. Okay, we have chosen doc and you click save. So you see the software requests you to drag and drop your file. Let's drag our file here. Okay, you see this is our file, and we convert it the output format. You can convert with this software, you can convert your document to Word, to image, to a text, and also to the HTML for web developers. So let's convert it to the Word document. Click convert. See, it's converting. The conversion is complete, and let's open the converted files. See, those are our converted files by which you can edit our document. It's introduction. Let's edit it. Let's make it edited. Tantum technologies. Okay. Then you save again your PDF. Let's print to PDF for a document. Let's rename it new convert document. New edited. Let's rename it new edited or modified. New modified document. Then you click save. And let's go to the desktop. You see, this is our converted files, and you see it's the one that we have converted. So guys, thank you so much. Make sure you like and share, so your friends who don't know how they can modify their PDF documents, so that they know this easiest way. So the link of the software, this UniPDF, I will share it in the description, and there is a free version and a pro version. If you want a pro version, you can write it in the comment or send me the email. I will give you the license key of this program. Thank you.